180. If your business drives sales through phone calls, then this video will be very useful for you. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. Here are my top tips for driving more quality calls using Google Call Ads. Number 1. Optimized call extensions. Ensuring that call extensions are enabled means that your ad will display your phone number alongside it. If the person clicks the phone number instead of the ad, they will dial your business directly, skipping out the landing page and getting them connected quicker. By scheduling call extensions during office hours, so the call extension will only be displayed when you have staff available to answer the calls. Number 2. Use call-only ads. As an alternative to call extensions, call-only ads will take the guesswork out of whether or not your audience sees the phone number. These ads restrict the ways that the prospect can connect with you and do not take them to a landing page. They will only be shown on devices that are able to make phone calls. For businesses where prospects have a sense of urgency, the call-only ads can be a great tool as it allows them to connect with you immediately. Number 3. Implement bid adjustments. If you have implemented the points as mentioned earlier, then you can also activate bid adjustments to tell Google Ads that you want to prioritize calls. Number 4. Run ads in Google Maps. Google Maps is an ideal place to advertise to get customers with a higher sense of urgency. People searching there are looking for a business in that area, so they're ready to buy or book. To deliver your ad in Google Maps, you simply connect your Google My Business account to your Google Ads account and ensure that location targeting is applied. Number 5. Call to action. If your goal is to drive more phone calls, let your audience know. When you write your ad copy, make sure to include a call to action that asks them to call now or to speak to a rep 24/7. This can help to set you apart from your competition by giving your audience confidence that someone is waiting to speak with them. Number 6. Optimize your landing pages. One of the key elements of driving calls, providing you are not using call-only ads, is making sure that your landing page is well optimized to encourage people phone calls. Making your phone number easily available and clickable, especially on the mobile website, is really important. Number 7. Track on page calls. Track all phone calls into the business so that you can see where these are coming from and what kind of conversion rate you are getting for your ads. This information means that you can optimize the ads that are driving the most conversions. Number 8. Review call quality. Are the calls coming from relevant prospects, and how well is your business handling the phone calls when they come through? You can use a call tracking software to download all the data and double check that you are driving sales rather than customer service calls from your ads. Reviewing calls will also help you understand how many calls are going unanswered and at what time. That's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.